Items in this video can be bought at evic.com. Evic.com. You want it, they got it. And Obscure.com. Obscure.com. Veteran owned since 2001. Enjoy the video.
It's going to be like something out of Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Okay.
Hello soldiers, this is Lego from Blood Rangers Airsoft, and this is the 7th edition of Operation Homeland. I didn't get this part on recording, but Max Mullen asked me to be his personal bodyguard, so I'm sticking with him for pretty much this entire video.
With the volume push.
Ranger 6 is Ranger 2 over.
Danger for Ranger 6.
Roger, are we going to reconsolidate back here at Spawn over?
Who's that right there?
Ranger 2, confirmed? Ranger 2?
This is Ranger 2,
Ask them how many men you have up there.
Ranger 6 here. How many men you got with you, Ranger 2?
we probably got about a squad and a half, almost 2 squads running the down parking structure, break.
Yeah, tell them the whole
Got
position.
bodies that are still inside the gas station.
Tell them the whole position.
They've recently said that they are very low on men at the marketplace that I was last video, so they're falling about to fall back and return to command.
Ranger 6 clear.
What's happening here is that there's an enemy camper within those woods, and Max Mullen is sending a squad to go take him out so he can't pick off guys shortly after they spawn.
Solid copy, Ranger 1 in a broke down parking structure. Hold for Max. Hold that position, Ranger 1. Hold that position.
Where's 3rd platoon?
Let me get some horn.
Yeah, get them on the horn, 3rd platoon.
3rd platoon, Ranger 3, what's your 20 over?
What platoon? Huh? 1st platoon? Okay, hold up right here. Alright. Yeah, we're going to try and guys get you marched up with your platoon, alright? You guys flush them out?
I mean, I'm dead, so.
Right, 4th, Lazarus.
Roger.
Hey, what I did, I sent 2nd platoon. Right, we reconsolidated. We got 2nd platoon moving up. 1st platoon flushing this guy out who's at this choke point.
Ranger 3.
And we're trying to find out where 1st platoon is at, and also trying to find out where 1st platoon is at. Get the people marched up with them.
Down 2 buildings over to the townhouses. From the townhouses, they're going to do a lateral assault across into that room building, 406, because that's where the assault is coming from right now.
Okay.
Once they take 406, clear it out, they're going to turn their guns to the south. Anybody coming at us at that point, we've got a buffer.
Check. We got around, how many guys here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds. 7 or 8 guys. So we marched up.
Ranger 1, this is Ranger 5. You're going to have about 7 guys from your platoon rejoining you shortly. Affirm. 2nd platoon's going to try to flush around and sweep so that you guys will wind up in your self-protection. We're going to do the north protection. We're going to try to isolate the gas station at 360 degrees.
Hey dude, there's a Jeep right there.
I think you got a red rag. You ain't going to miss one.
Okay.
You have a technical currently on your southeast corner, southeast.
What platoon? 2. 2nd platoon? Okay. What platoon? What platoon?
Yesterday was 2-2. If we're still in the same platoon, that's 2.
Oh, you 2nd platoon? Alright.
What?
Sorry.
Medic! Hey, Rocket!
Medic!
Get over here! Give me a medic! Second floor. Man, where you guys been? We're getting hammered. Hey!
Where is it?
Batman! Hey, we got to build a harsh...
Rocket! Hit! Reloading.
Oh, come on, really? Loading? Anyone else need medic?
Up. Technical!
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 Go, 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 go! He's got to turn back up. He's down. He's down. He's down. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Hey, second tactical coming in circle.
Hey, can we just send that stairwell up there and come up? Go on the second floor. Hey! Watch out! You're gonna get lit up right there! Get that guy, stick his hand out. Get out of there! Whoever's standing, come help us! Shoot there! Keep guns over here, keep down! On the corner, on the corner! Beautiful, beautiful! Come on, well, I got this side of the building. All right. Hey, he's right around the corner from you! You're good. Damn, dude. Technical! Technical! Get up! Where are you? Coming. Take your time, take a good shot. I'm a medic. If you die, you take another shot. Almost right away. Get that, Ronnie. Hey, you ready? Yeah! Hey, you ready to go? Hey, there's an enemy in the middle of the open. Hey, see some fire over here. Coming around the side of that building. Dude, you can hear oh gosh, I got one of them. Hey, he's behind the porta potty. The gun just locked up. Get up and I'm out. Right, line him up! You move! Corner, get out of here! Left corner!
That's it for part 7. Join me in part 8 where I continue being Max Mullen's bodyguard as we continue holding off enemy forces away from the gas station. See you next time.